Hey everyone, it's Lynn from the Stitch TV show. I'm just going to do another quick shop my stash. And this is my inspirational fabric for today. I want to talk about this because it's got a cute little fox on it. It's a modern fabric. You see a lot of these out now with different lines. But I want to talk about this in a different way. I think what we do as quilters is sometimes we get trapped into the idea that modern fabrics can only go with modern fabrics. And that's our interpretation of what that fabric is. And I want you to break off that habit. I just think that if you approach it as color instead of the type of style of fabric it is, it'll give you many more options. So don't just shop in one section of the store where it's just got the modern fabrics. Break out of your mold and let's look at it a different way. So let's just look at this as color. So it's got kind of this icy greenish color, and then this kind of a little olive, kind of a little green maybe. This is brown, some black in here. This is a really kind of blue and yellow and red. So really think about this as primary colors, right? So blue, yellow, and red always go good together because they're our primary colors. So the first thing I want to pull is maybe something that'll go with this icy color. So I kind of like this. It brings in a little bit of depth. So that's an interesting one. Then I found this in my stash, which I think, also plays against that fox a little bit. With these are the icy colors. But I wasn't done there because I'm thinking that's interesting. But what if I found a blue? And what I did is I went to, this is a reproduction fabric from the 1800s. And oh my gosh, it's almost the exact blue. And it works well because it's got the little leaves or whatever. So that becomes a very interesting, development in here. So the next thing I did is I also went back to the more 1800 stuff. And this is what they call chromium orange. You'll also see here quilters call it cheddar. So this, it's not the exact color as this, but this is my yellow and blue together. Very classic look. And it still works well with these too. Now, I'm going to bring in the unexpected here. This is a modern tone-on-tone fabric, but it's a blender fabric. And if I put this red in here, I think you'll see that these three colors really provide a nice base that these two can pop off of, which is what they're doing in the fabric with the fox. So this would be my choice in Shop My Stash to make that fox a little, pop out and just be interesting. And I would, probably fussy cut that and just let it sing on its own. But surround it with some of these basic colors. And if you'll notice, it's red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. So anyway, that's another quick Shop My Stash. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment on the video and we'll answer those, as well as share this video, subscribe, and talk to us later on the Stitch TV show.